How's it going, everyone?
Question Venmar!
For
what?
Q&A.
Good job.
Yeah. That's how I roll. Okay, guys. Some of you already knew we have a profile on the Curiouscat.
And it's funny because you didn't even tell me about that. I just saw it because you told everyone.
I posted it everywhere, so you should know.
Yeah, but you could have told me in real life.
Be more active.
I saw it because of social media. I was like, okay. I didn't know we had this.
Do you want to come that this sassy dog comes out?
You're always sassy.
You know, this channel is you and me.
Yeah, you didn't tell me anything about it.
You have to be active like you and me.
Yeah, I am. That's how I saw it. But you could have told me in real life.
You made something. I don't know what anymore, but you made something.
Eh?
Yeah.
I made something?
Yeah, I don't know what you made.
I didn't make anything.
You made it when I made that.
No.
Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, so everyone, so this profile is about asking us questions, which will be mentioned in a Q&A video.
Like this one.
Yes. So, oh god. All right, let us start. The first question is, of course, from Anonymous. Which one of you?
How did you read that? It's Anon.
I don't care.
Why did you say Anonymous? What the fuck was that? Anonymous?
Asshole. Okay. First question of Anon.
Calm down.
Anon. Good. Okay. First question from Anon. Wait, hold on. Which one of you is cutest? Of course me, because I'm derpy. Duh.
No.
Derpy's always cute. So yeah, that's your answer. I'm the cutest.
No. That's not to you to decide.
Well, our dear fans, write it in the comments. Who's the cutest?
You know, there's a lot of people that like Quest.
But there's a lot of people who like Venmar, okay? So you decide. Write in the comments. Okay.
Yeah, they could decide, I guess. I don't know.
Okay.
I say both
which one of you is the most cuddly?
I love cuddling.
It's
constantly.
Quest. Yeah, okay, I have to admit, that is Quest.
In the morning, at night, and in the day. You know, I just always have to grab you and cuddle you, and that's the only thing that makes me happy.
True.
If I don't get my morning cuddles, I'm literally pissed.
Oh yeah, she is.
Literally, like I need him to cuddle me in the morning, because if he gets up with no cuddles, I will be in a bad mood.
Not good.
It is literally true. So yeah, I'm cuddly. I love cuddles and hugs.
Next one. Which one of you is the burping champion? Of course, me.
No.
Yes.
You're good at farting. I'm better at burping.
I'm a burp.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I am 100% sure that I burp better than you do.
Want to make a competition?
Well, we can't right now.
I can. 1 second.
It's gonna be weak. I was puking in the kitchen because it was
I'm
so
better
loud.
than you.
That was such a fail.
Hey, okay.
No. Stop forcing yourself. You're like puking. Oh god.
It smells like ramen.
Yeah, we just ate ramen. It was
Nice.
pretty good. It was way too spicy.
Okay, of course, so I'm the winner.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Next one. Anon from Anon Levy.
Yes.
From Anon.
Yes.
The Anon. You know?
Okay, read it!
Okay. What do you guys do in private time aside from cuddling and kiss each other?
We reproduce axolotls. Apparently.
Yeah.
What else? Watch TV, play games.
Yeah. Craft shit.
Yes.
Eat a lot.
Yeah, we eat constantly, almost.
And
Drive
fucking
around.
finishing this apartment, which takes forever.
Yep. And driving around doing 1,000 fucking things every single day.
Yeah.
Takes way too much time.
Yeah. And we plan shit for YouTube.
And we talk to you guys.
Awesome. Alright, next question. From, again, Le Anon. Of course, it's always another Le Anon.
Yes, read.
Okay. Things you two like doing when at the mall.
Mmm.
I'm sorry. That was left.
Ew.
No, I'm done. Oh god. Okay. I don't know. What do we do?
I don't know. We eat. Like, I love eating when I go to the mall. When I go to the mall, I want to eat.
We do one thing always.
And
Every time when we go to a mall, and there's a GameStop store. We go inside and buy something.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Or I'm kind of like that in a way with TK Maxx.
Yeah. And
I don't know, I love the shit that they have at TK Maxx. It's very American and very fancy, and I don't know, I have to buy shit from
And with me...
when I can afford it.
With me, it's with Hustle. It's kind of like a chocolate store. And Chris always has to be... No, Venmar.
Yeah,
they're
the devil. He's so weak. Like, seriously, if the woman from the chocolate store comes to him, he can't say no.
No, she's just coming to me like, you like this chocolate there? And I'm just like, no, why? And she's like, yes. You want to
buy it.
You want to try something? I was like, I better not know. And she's just offering me more and more, and I'm just like,
yeah.
Ah!
He's so weak. He can't say no when she offers chocolate.
Chocolate is my weakness.
Yeah, and me, I don't know. It's TK Maxx's fancy shit.
Okay, next question from Guess Levy.
Anonymous.
The unknown. And it's always another unknown. I hope. Would you ever own a sports car?
No.
No.
You know why? Because it costs way too much fucking shit to repair it.
My parents have sports cars, and
no.
I always see their bills when something is broken or something, and I'm just like, ah!
Yeah.
There goes all the money.
Yeah, that is why we don't want a sports car, because it's just way too much when you have to do repairs. We just want a nice little car that brings you from A to B with no problem.
Yeah.
And that doesn't cost like the car when a piece breaks.
Yeah. Okay. Next one. And which game would you guys like to play in the future?
Monster Hunter.
Monster Hunter.
Definitely Monster Hunter.
Yeah, comes out soon. So.
And how about that dragon game? Like, what's it called again? If it ever comes
Dragon
out.
Scale.
Yes.
Comes
I'd
out.
like to play that.
It comes out. It's in
And
development
that
again.
little thing with that little mutant, you know, that little alien.
Oh yeah, Biomutant I think was the
I think
name.
it's something like that. Yeah, I just know that it had like mutant. I don't know. It sounded kind of weird, but that looks also nice.
Okay.
And then there's this other thing from Final Fantasy, but I can never say the name of it.
The
Something
Zerg?
Greer or something.
Huh?
That one from the creators of Final Fantasy. Something Greer or I don't know.
Kingdom Hearts?
No, from the Final Fantasy. I know in Greer. I know Greer something.
No idea.
Yeah, with the main character has like white hair or something and like a mask or some shit, kind of like black slightly. I told you about it and you were like, eh.
I don't know.
I forgot the name. I'll write it somewhere so you guys know which game I'm talking about. It has a weird ass long weird name. I can't say it.
Okay, next question. Which game would you like to play?
You just read that.
I think that was the same unknown as the other one. When is going to be the Q&A? I'm expecting the answers comes in the next Q&A. The Q&A is right now.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah.
It's now. I hope you like it.
I hope you do. Yeah. So yeah, that was literally it. That was the Q&A for now.
That was kind of boring.
Was it boring, guys? You know, I thought it was a cool idea to open and start this again, because in the beginning when we started this channel we made Q&As and you guys liked it, and now we don't do it anymore, so I think you will like it again. If you do like it, make some questions in the Curiouscat channel. We ask as many questions what we do, private, work time, and our whole life.
What he said.
Yeah.
I mean, I know that the Q&As are something different and they usually are interesting, but yeah, you guys have to ask us more questions.
Yes, go on the thingy, Curiouscat. I link it down in the description.
Ask us anything. Just no Yith stuff or Bad Dragon related things or stuff like that. Just you know, normal questions.
I will beep the second one out.
No one knows.
That was.
No,
what is wrong with you, Fox?
Yeah, like I said, I don't want any questions about those.
You don't want any questions?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't want questions about that. That's what I said. Except Yif and BD stuff and.
Okay, good.
Yeah. Well, duh, you weirdo.
So I don't keep that out.
Just definitely ask those type of questions.
Just ask is what we all do all night long in the bed, being like, yeah.
Yeah, really.
You know, twerk it, twerk it.
And we'll say this again to be clear: we never wear our suits for that.
No, we don't.
No.
So guys, that was
We're going on a weird topic, man.
Yeah. So guys, that was the video, the Q&A since I don't know how long ago.
Yeah.
I hope you liked this, guys. I hope the quest was also entertained for that. If you say it was even boring, I liked it a little bit.
No, I like Q&As in general, but here there wasn't that many questions.
They will come. They will come.
Yes.
And guys, for everyone, we have a Discord channel. If you want, join us. We talk with you guys there. We have a lot of weird stuff talking about. Come in there, get some behind the scenes stuff.
It's a really cool, close-knit group, so...
Yeah, I will link also the Discord server
cool.
in the description, so join us in there. We are already a big group. It makes fun talking with all together.
Yeah. And everyone's nice, don't be afraid.
Yes. So I think that was it for today, isn't it?
Yes, we're finally settling in a little bit in the apartment. I mean, I hope this goes faster. And yeah, we have a new bird. I can't show him right now because he's at your parents for vacation, because we're going to be going to Spain for 2 days. So yeah, he's at your parents, so I can't show little Yoshi. And then we're expecting axolotl babies at one point or another.
Yeah. So that was it for today.
It's amazing. Yeah.
Alright guys, we will see you in the next videos, and like we said, ask some questions at the Curiouscat channel and comment on our Discord server, so talk with us. So we will see you next time. Bye bye!
Yeah, what's his last name?
Oh, okay.
Why am I up here?
Good.
I know!
Damn it, you asshole! Get back my way!
I really want to drive you!
Okay, what now? He wants burgers now, apparently. Oh wow! Oh shit! Let me! Give me the fire thingy! Give me the fire thingy!
Here! I can't!
On top!
I don't want to get here!
On top of the roll!